काले कानून इन्होंने यहाँ पे लगाए हैं बिना लोगों के पूछताछ के।
काला कानून नामंजूर, नामंजूर, काला कानून नामंजूर, नामंजूर। न्यू लैंड लॉज की लूट को बंद करो, बंद करो। जम्मू कश्मीर में लूट को बंद करो, बंद करो। जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पीपल्स डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी जिंदाबाद, महबूबा मुफ्ती जिंदाबाद। काले दिन का काला फैसला वापस करो, वापस करो। काले दिन का काला फैसला बंद करो, बंद करो। मैंने जैसे आपको कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर में इन लोगों ने हमारी गर्दनों पे तलवारें रखी हुई हैं, हमारी कनपट्टियों पे बंदूकें लगा दी हैं, यहाँ लूट खसोट मचाई है, यहाँ किसी को बात करने की इजाजत नहीं है। आज हम यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट के लिए और हम यहाँ पर नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी।
Major political parties of Jammu and Kashmir, including National Conference and PDP, has accused the government of launching fresh crackdown on their activities and the movement. Yesterday, PDP leaders were arrested by police and their march, proposed protest march, was filed by them. And today also, National Conference chief and senior politician Farooq Abdullah was not allowed to move outside his residence in Gupkar, Srinagar. He was planning to go to Hazalbal Shrine to offer special Friday prayers. So he was not allowed to move outside, and later his party accused the government of putting him, restricting him in the residence. So this is a development here in political parties, this time outside the residence of Farooq Abdullah. So the security forces have put the barricade and vehicle outside his house. So it's clear that government doesn't want any fresh law and order situation going out of control in Kashmir. These parties have already organized many press conferences and meetings regarding Gupkar declaration, which they recently formed into an alliance, and they are the alliance is aiming at fight for the restoration of special status of Jammu and Kashmir, which was abrogated last year in August. So we'll give you more details on this and the reactions from different political parties on this development in Kashmir.
हम यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट करने आ रहे थे, तो नए लॉ से काले कानून है, उनके खिलाफ हमारी प्रोटेस्ट है। मेरे यहाँ ऑफिस के अंदर नहीं आने दिया।
So I'm here talking to the spokesperson, People's Democratic Party, on the recent crackdown launched by government on these political parties. With me, I'm joined by Dr. Harbaksh Singh. He's a spokesperson of People's Democratic Party. I'll ask him about the recent developments regarding the government action on their activities. First of all, thank you very much for joining with us. So tell us, what do you think about the recent the crackdown and the recent arrest of your party leaders when your proposed march was filed by police?
It is very unfortunate that the democratic setup of a country, which is known as the secular country of most powerful secular country of world, the people who are demanding peacefully within the democracy. There is a very unfortunate incident. We were having a meeting, and after meeting we were planning a peaceful protest march against the recently passed law. Either we talk about the 370, 35A or the orders passing day to day. Especially the law recently draconian law passed for the land लैंड लॉ जिसको कहते हैं, या वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द लॉ रिगार्डिंग द लैंड. It is very unfortunate. There are so many neighboring states like Himachal and some states like Assam and other states where there is 371, 371A, 371B, C. I don't know why the country is behaving like dictator to the Jammu and Kashmir only. So this is matter of concern in a democracy where you are not allowed to talk, you are not allowed to protest, you are not allowed to do any political activity here.
So now I'll ask you about today also the senior politician Farooq Abdullah was not allowed to move outside his house. So what do you think about that?
Not only Farooq Abdullah, yesterday Mahbooba Mufti was not also allowed to meet the detainees. Among them I was also detained by the police at the police station Kothi Bagh. Mahbooba Mufti, our president, was supposed to meet all the detainees there. She was not allowed. This is the totally lawlessness and unfortunate part of this country. Ex-chief minister, member parliament is not allowed to move outside his house. Ex-chief minister and a president of a party like Mahbooba Mufti, she is not allowed to move outside their house to address their people, to talk to their people. You can see even the media persons who are writing something, some tweeters or something on Facebook or social media, they are booked by the government agencies.
So the PDP officers also sealed, and you are not allowed to do your activities. But on the other hand, the officials are saying that you are not allowed to protest because COVID is still around and 144 is still in place. So what do you think about that?
COVID is not only for the PDP. It is for other organizations also. In Jammu there is COVID, in Delhi there is COVID, in Bihar there is COVID, where there are so many election rallies and election is going on. So discrimination with the Jammu and Kashmir is very unfortunate. But one thing is there: the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the political parties of the Jammu and Kashmir has to join hands to fight for the right their protection of laws. And I think people are understanding this think what is happening, and I don't think they can stop our struggle, our movement, and it is a democratic and legal fight. We are not talking anything beyond the democracy, beyond the constitution, beyond the legal things. We don't provoke anything. We don't believe in provoking things or worsening things. We believe in democratic setup. We still talk about the things. We are talking in the means of democracy. Our demands are constitutional. There is nothing beyond the constitution.
Thank you.
श्रीनगर में कोशिश की थी, इजाज़त मिली नहीं. हम सियासी तौर भी लड़ेंगे, हम कानूनी तौर भी लड़ेंगे, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा है हम पुरअमन तौर लड़ेंगे. हमारा कोई इरादा नहीं है कि इस रियासत में या इस सरजमीन पे किसी तरह के इस तरह का माहौल बने जिससे कि अमन जो है उसको नुकसान.
सर, गुप्कार मीटिंग में करगिल के नुमाइंदे शामिल नहीं हुए, तो इसकी क्या वजूहत है?
तब तक हमारी इनसे बात हुई नहीं. हम कैसे इनको शामिल करते जब तक कि हम इनसे बात नहीं कर पाए? वो गलत होता हमारी तरफ से.
तो क्यों बात नहीं हुई?
आज इनसे बातचीत हुई है और हमने इनसे कहा हुआ है कि हम चाहते हैं कि इनकी मीटिंग में अगर ये चाहें तो हम अपने लोग बीच बीच में भेज सकते हैं. और ज़रूर हम तो चाहेंगे कि जब कभी पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुप्कार डिक्लेरेशन की मीटिंग हो तो उसमें हम चाहेंगे कि करगिल की आवाज़ जो है वो शामिल हो.
बॉडी बना है एपेक्स बॉडी, क्या उनसे भी आप मुलाकात करने जा सकते हैं आने वाले वक्त में?
हम किसी से भी बात करेंगे. हम किसी से भी बात करने के लिए तैयार हैं, हमें कोई इसमें हिचकिचाहट नहीं होगी।
थैंक यू।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.